Okay, before we get started on testing, I will just give an overview of the Boozang tool. What you're going to see is you're going to have a sidebar navigation. Remember, Boozang runs directly in your web browser, so if you got this far, you should be able to get started creating tests without any additional steps. On the left hand side, you see the top icon is the navigation icon where you have all the tests and modules. So this is where we'll do 95% of all our work. This is where you always want to be. And this is where you navigate the test tree. On the left hand side, you'll have components. We will not touch on this. In this is more advanced functionality. No need to touch on that. Bugs, how you would record and show visual bugs directly in the tool. Not something we're going to touch on. Root cause analysis, we will touch on this towards the end of the course, just to show how you can map out known problems to your external ticketing system. Reports here, when you run a test, you will see the results here. The team, you can add team members to collaborate directly in the web browser. Everything is running with WebSockets. CI server, connect and view all your CI processes running, and also get the configuration for most platforms out there to set it up and run it on Jenkins, for instance. And then settings, here more advanced settings. We won't go very deep into this. Notably, it's a module based. So Boozang is module based. You'll have modules. This is where you find the implementation of the Cucumber test steps. And then you'll have features where you find your feature files with scenarios inside with the Gherkin syntax. So the way it would work to navigate is that you switch one of these. This is the business domain and this is the code domain. And basically you'll find test steps in here written in human language connected to test step implementation, which you will find under modules. And remember, all the implementation goes, you'll create the module first and the test inside. So it will be, for instance, the authorization module would have login and logout tests inside. And this is really encouraged that you use this for reuse and for housekeeping purposes. So with this basic thing, as we get started running the tool and creating tests, you're going to see how this works in practice.